Hey, what's going on? It's your man Big John Restoration in Virginia Beach. Got a 2000 Honda Accord. This one came in. You know how these vehicles get. Clear coat starts chipping and peeling and fading. So you know you got to freshen them up. A friend of mine named Lisa, this is her daughter's car. She wanted to do something special for her daughter. It's around Christmas time. From what I hear, she's a very good student. A very well-respected young lady, so, you know, Lisa wanted to do something nice for her, which is, you know, every parent's dream as far as having a child like that. So she brung it in, we went back the same color, and we added the silver flake. But as y'all can see from the plate, her name is Diamond. So we put Diamond on the side of the vehicle. With we did the block letters this time in pink with the white highlights. Then she is a Hello Kitty fan. So that's what I was told to put on the hood coming off to the fender was Hello Kitty. There it is. And then her name also on the driver's door. So here it is, we got Hello Kitty airbrushed on the hood, coming off to the fender. Car came out real nice. As y'all see, the John's Restoration logo is in the window. Reason being, I had one of my guys spray this one because I was busy doing something on another vehicle. And before I knew it, he already had the clear coat on it. So I wasn't able to put the logo on the trunk and clear it with the silver flakes like always. So I put it in the window. The customer definitely wanted it on the vehicle. This vehicle shows that for y'all that want to keep the same factory color but add some flakes or ice pearl to it and a little bit of airbrushing to make it unique, we can always go there. We don't always have to do a color change or anything custom that's, you know, kind of dramatic. We can always personalize the vehicle to your liking and your taste. Just give me a call, 757-713-2277. I'm Big John with John's Restoration in Virginia Beach, Virginia. And remember, we also do government and military financing, especially for you guys that are overseas as far as getting your vehicles done while you're gone. You know we do that too. We got a couple of guys. Calvin with the Escalade. We got Kanye with the green and black Charger. Getting something done to theirs while they overseas. Have it ready for when they get back. Definitely appreciate the military. Without the military, I don't know where John's Restoration would be, because 70 to 80% of our customers are military. Give us a call, 757-713-2277. If you need something done to your vehicle as far as paint, body, interior, factory to custom stereo systems, we can either do the car back factory or customize it to your liking. We can also get rims and tires for your vehicle. So definitely give us a call. I'm gonna walk across the parking lot, give y'all a little sneak peek of this '67 Impala SS. The gold one that I had picked up from the owner that lives in New York. The car is not done yet. We had the exhaust work done, interior, top, paint. We're waiting for some more moldings to come in, waiting for a little chroming to come back. It's a little dirty right now, but here's a little sneak peek of it. Gold with the black body lines. New top, new paint. 24-inch staggered Lexanis on it. New exhaust. Shout out to Coastal for that. 5% on the windows. You know they can ride in New York like that. Like I said, she a little dirty. A little sneak peek in the interior from the window. Remember, it was all black, now it's red. Give us a call, John's Restoration, Virginia Beach, Virginia. There go that Escalade belonging to Calvin, local legends. Calvin, is she coming? See the handle on that back door? She coming. Candy paint. Letting y'all know that's coming strong, candy paint. Local legends, watch out. Y'all got another one coming with you. John's Restoration, 757-713-2277.